We all know if a number ends with an even digit, it is even, and if it ends with an odd digit, it is odd. But computers don't automatically know this, so how can we tell them? I'm Ratio Code, and I make educational programming tutorials and Python projects. Okay, so let's put the number in a variable. So let's say num is equal to 7th, so we'll just store it in a program. And then let's say if num modulo, I'll explain what that is in a second, modulo 2 is equal to 0. So you use double equal when you're using comparisons. So num modulo 2 and 0, that's a comparison. But then when you're defining a variable, you just use a single equal sign. And we'll want to put print even. Then otherwise, or else in Python, print odd. Okay, so now let's run this and then I will explain it. So yes, this is working correctly because 7 is odd. Now let's start an even number. Even, so now we can say that this is working. Okay, so let me go through the program. So here we're just defining the variable. And then in this conditional statement, or if-else statement, we're saying if 8 divided by 2, which is 4, and if there's no remainder or decimals, so, or in other words, it's equal to 0, then it is even. Otherwise, it's odd. So modulo is kind of like if it has a remainder. Okay. If you found this video helpful and you got what you were hoping for, then make sure to leave a like. Okay, thank you for watching.